My video is about getting rid of the ransomware called Eldritch. My video is only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting it. I found this sample of this ransomware on the virus total database. So before the ransomware attack, users are able to open their files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. But regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this Eldritch ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the system. And so very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data. The ransomware encrypts files and then appends a special extension to the file name, so it is then impossible to use the files anymore. The ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file recovery if you pay the ransom, so do not waste your money and do not pay that ransom. So, nevertheless, this ransomware acts in a very aggressive manner, and indeed it damages the files, and indeed it encrypts the files. But paying the ransom, of course, is not a good idea. If you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money, so don't pay that ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware immediately with the help of reliable antivirus. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner for this purpose. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then start researching the computer. The program is initially in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button and the application will first of all update its anti-malware database. Don't skip this very important step. After the anti-malware database gets successfully updated, the software begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. I want to emphasize your attention on the fact that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. Its anti-ransomware feature helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the data, but it does not decrypt the files. Keep this in mind. And there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt these files. So take your time, wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished, and then at the end of the scan you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider upgrading to premium, and this way your data will always be protected. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more information on how to recover your data.